Do you know that having zero subscribers on your YouTube channel is a blessing? Yeah, you heard that right. Having zero subscribers is a blessing. I'll tell you why. When I tell you the reason, the change in perspective will blow your mind. But before that, a quick personal story. When I started my YouTube channel called Presentation Process, my grand YouTube total subscriber count was two. One was Aarti, my wife, because she had to. She was my partner in business and life. And the other subscriber was me. Yes, I actually went and subscribed to my own channel. Don't judge. But even before I could get to the stage of having two subscribers on my YouTube channel, I spent months agonizing over the decision of getting onto YouTube because I was not really sure whether it was a good idea. There was this constant debate in my mind where I wondered whether I would be successful or I would not be successful, whether people will troll me. I had a lot of these thoughts getting into my mind, and therefore I was debating constantly about whether to even post on YouTube or not. Finally, when I summoned enough courage to start my YouTube channel and started posting some videos, the number of views I had on my videos was, let's say, not so encouraging. I had zero views, zero likes, zero comments, not even that odd or occasional you cringe, that kind of a comment, because at least that would have given me an idea that there is somebody who's even watching my video. But I didn't have any of that. It almost felt like I was making videos for my furniture. You can trust me, it was not a good feeling. I was depressed and I was really angry at everybody. So one day when I was walking in that nasty mood, I suddenly got an epiphany. I realized that having zero subscribers is indeed a blessing. The reason is, honestly, I was not ready for YouTube at that point. I was still figuring out my business, what kind of videos I would make, how I would make those videos, because at that time I was making screencast videos and I was not really sure whether that was the way forward. I was still trying to talk like a human being rather than a scared cat. In fact, recently, last week, I happened to watch a couple of my old videos, the ones that I posted right at the start. Trust me, those videos were bad. I didn't even have the confidence to turn on the camera. And that is the reason why I resorted to just showing the screen and then giving my voiceover. And I still remember very distinctly that during the recording session, many times I would forget to even turn on the mic, only to realize after I finished recording to see that there was only the visual and there was no voice. And even when I remembered to switch on the camera, switch on the mic, I used to forget whatever I was explaining mid-sentence. Sometimes I would take forever to explain a certain thing. And sometimes when I get deeply engrossed in my design, I totally forgot to explain what I was doing, because this behavior of vocalizing what I was doing step by step on the screen was not a very natural thing, right? So if you are really involved in what you're doing, in designing something, you tend to forget yourself. You don't remember to explain everything. So I was going through all that initial formative stage, and my videos were really pretty bad. Now imagine for a moment, what might have happened if YouTube had sent thousands of views to my videos at that time? Naturally, people would have all got quite angry watching those videos that I wasted their time and might have left some brutal, nasty comments. And imagine the kind of impact that would have had on my mind and my psyche at that time. I was just looking for an excuse to stop posting on YouTube, and these kind of negative comments might have totally stopped my initiative, and I would have left YouTube with bitterness because I was cursing myself for wasting my time making those videos because no one watched. And the realization that I had that day when I was walking was, having zero views was indeed a blessing. Once I realized that there was no one watching what I was doing, I didn't really have to think about what would people think when I make a mistake. It gave me a lot of confidence. It gave me the courage to press the record button again. It gave me the opportunity to make more mistakes and learn from my mistakes. It gave me the chance to experiment, try new things, the ones that I really liked, and slowly, painfully, one screencast at a time, my videos improved. People started watching my videos. I had increased in number of views and people started commenting on my videos. Of course, there were a few initial comments that were not so good. A lot of people felt that I had a thick Indian accent and they couldn't follow what I was saying. But fortunately, there were a lot of kind souls that gave me encouragement. They said, even though you have a thick Indian accent, they still could follow what I was saying, and therefore my videos were helping them in some way. And that gave me the encouragement to carry on. Now, fast forward to today, that sad little YouTube channel, which only had 2 subscribers, now has more than 530,000 subscribers. A lot of people watch our videos. A lot of people write to us saying that their lives have changed because of the kind of videos that we made and the kind of ideas we gave. There are a lot of people who have been watching us over the years, and a lot of our subscribers, I see them more as my family, friends, because it gives me that feeling because they have supported in every way during our good times, our bad times. They have purchased our products. They've gone through our courses. They are almost like the people that I can go to whenever I want some ideas, want some guidance on how I can take the videos forward, take the channel forward. I would have missed all this if I had got tons of views to my poor videos during my formative videos, because I would have actually been discouraged and would have stopped this channel long time back. So I really feel grateful that YouTube didn't rush to give me a lot of views in the initial stages. So if you're sitting there staring at your YouTube channel with 0 views, 0 comments, and feel depressed, trust me, these 0 views, the time that you're having right now, is the biggest gift that you can get. It might not feel like that right now, but this time that you're having right now gives you the freedom to find your feet, the freedom to experiment, to see where you want to go in the future, the freedom to try everything that you want without the fear of getting judged. Because when people find you, when views come, when you have a lot of attention thrown onto you, you will be ready with your skills right up there because you've already done all the experimentation, you've already got all the experience that is required, and you would have improved your videos one after another. So the only thing that matters right now at this point is for you to post your next video and nothing else. You don't have to worry about any other details. Just go posting videos one after another and start improving your skills at this point, because soon some of those videos will find some virality. Suddenly, a couple of those videos will blow up. And then when people come to your channel, they will watch all those videos that you had posted earlier, and they will realize the kind of value that you're bringing in, and you will find your space. You will find that your work is noticed, you're appreciated, you have a fan base, and you will get all the success that you deserve. At that time, you will sit back, relax, and then think about the times when you only had a handful of subscribers. That day will come for sure. You just have to have faith and enjoy this golden period that you have. The period where you have full freedom to experiment, learn as much as possible. So when the success does come, you're ready to receive that success with both hands. I'll see you in the next video.